Welcome to GardaWorld, a leading security provider for the Canadian Air Transport Security Authority. If you're aiming to join the ranks as a pre-board screening officer, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to prepare for the GardaWorld Pre-Board Screening Officer tests. GardaWorld plays a crucial role in ensuring safety at Canada's 35 main airports. As a pre-board screener, you'll be at the forefront of this mission. But first, you'll need to pass a selective hiring process, starting with two important tests. To become a Garda pre-board screener, you'll need to pass two key assessments: the Object Recognition Test, also known as the X-ray test, and the Basic Math and English test. These tests must be completed in person at a GardaWorld office. The Object Recognition Test is considered the more challenging of the two. You'll be shown 20 images, each containing 12 to 14 items. Your task is to identify specific contraband items, like guns, knives, or grenades, within just 20 seconds per image. Items might be rotated, upside down, or partially covered, so attention to detail is crucial. In this X-ray image, we're asked to determine, is there a grenade in this bag? Take a close look. Can you spot it? It is not clear what is in the picture. This is what makes the X-ray portion of the exam so hard. You also have the clock ticking down, which does not help. Yes, there is a grenade, but it's not immediately obvious. The grenade in this image is partially obscured by a pot, which makes it challenging to identify. When trying to recognize a grenade, focus on its most prominent features: the lever and the safety pin. Typically, grenades will appear in shades of blue or green in the X-ray image. These parts are key indicators, even when other objects overlap and create visual noise. The X-ray test is designed to be tricky. Bags are often cluttered and items can overlap, making it hard to distinguish one object from another. This is where your skills in object recognition are put to the test. If you successfully pass the X-ray test, you'll move on to the Basic Math and English test. This test comprises 100 multiple-choice questions to be completed in 60 minutes. The questions will cover spelling, grammar, reading comprehension, logic, and basic math. Each section is designed to assess your fundamental skills in these areas. In this question, your task is to identify the number of words spelled incorrectly in line B. Remember, accuracy in spelling is crucial for clear communication. Take a moment to review line B carefully. This question is a bit tricky because you might be tempted to find a mistake where none exists, but there are no spelling mistakes in this line, so the correct answer is 0. Let's take a look at a math sample question. We'll tackle a question involving distances covered by a patrol unit. Here's the question. A security company needs to calculate the total distance covered by a patrol unit over a month. The patrol unit covers 18 kilometers each day. However, for 5 days in the month, the patrol unit covered 25 kilometers each day. The month has 30 days in total. Your task is to find the total distance covered in the month. Let's break it down. First, calculate the distance for the 5 days when the patrol unit covered 25 kilometers each day. 25 kilometers per day times 5 days equals 125 kilometers. Then, calculate the distance for the remaining 25 days when the patrol unit covered 18 kilometers each day. 18 kilometers per day times 25 days equals 450 kilometers. Finally, add the two distances together to get the total distance covered in the month. 125 kilometers plus 450 kilometers equals 575 kilometers. So, the answer is C. The total distance covered by the patrol unit in the month is 575 kilometers. Remember, breaking down problems into smaller parts can help make them more manageable. After completing each test, the recruiter will grade your performance on the spot. If you pass the first test, you'll proceed to the second. However, if you do not meet the passing grade of 80%, you won't be eligible to continue, and you'll need to wait 6 months before reapplying. If you pass both exams, you will proceed to a short interview. The hiring process at GardaWorld is highly competitive. To pass the X-ray ORT test, you'll need to correctly answer 16 out of 20 questions. 80%. With a failure rate of 70%, thorough preparation is essential. We recommend using the GardaWorld Pre-Screening Officer practice test, which offers comprehensive practice materials for both the X-ray and English/math tests. For the object recognition test, remember these tips. Focus on correct answers, manage your time wisely, only 20 seconds per image, and familiarize yourself with how different materials appear on X-rays. Objects may be partially covered or shown at various angles, so be prepared for anything. Preparation is the key to success. With the right practice and focus, you can achieve your goal of becoming a GardaWorld Pre-Board Screening Officer. We wish you the best of luck on your journey. To learn more, visit us at tsatestprep.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and resources to help you succeed in your career with GardaWorld.